1, we all enjoy drama on Netflix, Prime and other OTT channels. But let's talk about some tech drama today on Tweak Library. Oh yes, I'm talking about some crazy tech fails that would make you say, oh dear lord, what were they thinking? Well, welcome yourself to some awful tech innovations that didn't work as you expected them to, and your excitement to see them working is the best way possible has just blown away. Our number 1 is the LG robot, which was actually designed to control your own home smartly. LG was thinking to make your home smart and leave it all on the robot, which forgets to automate. To our surprise, it failed on its launch, right on the stage. When Chloe was launched and asked for its daily schedule, it behaved like a good robot in front of everyone for a few minutes. However, everything fell flat when the robot did not respond back to the presenter's question about washing cycle and dinner recipes. Everybody in the audience kept waiting, but robots did not respond. Ouch. This tech innovation fails we would like to give 2 on 10. Tesla Cybertruck. In November 2019, Tesla Inc. unveiled its first ever pickup truck, which is virtually impenetrable and had bulletproof glasses. However, when this bulletproof glass was tested in front of an audience, oh my god, it just gave a giant mark on the face. Interestingly, the team along with the Elon Musk picked up the same store and threw it on another glass. And guess what? They broke it too. Embarrassing for Elon, but this tech fail was again evident to the world. We would give this fail 4 out of 10. Next is Wii U, which actually changed gaming forever. It all started great with the Wii when after 6 years, they came up with the next generation. This generation called Wii U, which was a handheld gaming console that could be connected to a TV. No, it's not a terrible idea, but there were plenty of issues with a console-sized controller that was Wii U. Even CNN said that they think Wii U is an accessory of Wi-Fi and there was actually no need for such a controller. Let's say this fail scored 6 out of 10, although they did correct their mistakes with the Switch, which literally received Nintendo. Google Q is a media streamer which allows your phone to display anything on the TV. It is exactly like Chromecast, but let's say a worse play. It was an expensive block of $300 and had capacity to stream Google content on television. Now the question is, who is paying so much of money when Android has already given you the option of Chromecast? Disappointing, I believe.
Not impressed.
But there is something more disappointing than this. Google Glass. Google Glass came out with a hefty price of $1,500, where Google was trying to merge the digital and physical world, just like how a phone worked. Now this glass was meant to let you jump into games that you are playing, but even on a high-speed internet connection, one can face huge lag due to the process of commands, finding servers and sending response screens back into the system. Paying so much for this glitch could be one tech innovation which deserves 4 out of 10. I'm sure you are also thinking that even innovation should be done with futuristic common sense while easing our lives rather than disrupting. So did you like the video? Share your views with us and subscribe to our channel right now for more such videos.